Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here to open up, I actually realized this, unhooked the bottom of it, some goodie mail that came in the P.O. box, and this was just a random act of kindness from Ginger Pana. And Ginger, you really didn't have to do anything. Thank you so much. You didn't have to send me anything. Aww. Look at this box. Oh my gosh, and there's plenty of goodies in here. Okay. And I had it, oops, it's upside down. I don't know if this light is, I don't know which is better. So let me go, I had it upside down the wrong way because I opened the box upside down. Okay. So please check out her channel. She is a sweetie, woman of God, and she is just very sweet. She does nice tutorials and nice crafts on her channel, a lot of collabs. Look at Hawaii. Never been there. Would love to. Our daughter's been there at least 3 times. So she sent me a nice calendar so I can look at the beautiful beach and the palm trees. Oh, look at a rainbow. Oh, and dream one day. It is on my list. Beautiful. Thank you for that, so I can have something beautiful to look at work when it's those days when you're tired or stressed out or deadlines to beat. Sorry about this lighting. So I am going to open this up. I know sometimes people don't like the sounds of, crinkling paper, so you can turn it down for a second. This is my first time opening it up as well. Oh, it looks like a whole bunch of different type of baggies. So, wish you always filled with happiness. So these are some nice bags. Oh, I love these. And they're self-sealing bags. Pretty. Oh, look at these. And these Ziploc bags. Look at this. And this one is opaque. That one's, oh, that's shaped like a snow globe. And it's zipper at the top. There's another one that says, sweet time, wish you are always filled with happiness. Oh, that's so sweet. And this one said the same thing. So cute. I hadn't seen these, so I don't know if these are from, oh look. Merci. So this is all in different languages. I ain't even gonna pretend to pronounce all of them. Wow, cool. I love that. And then you have, oh, wish you be always filled with happiness. So these are some really nice bags. You can use these for everything. Look at the little kitty cat. And this has the handle on it, and it's also a zipper up here too. But these would be nice to put some sweets and treats in there. Then these are the sacks, the gift bags right here with the twisties. My heart for you, you always make me happy. And then these have some drawstrings. So thank you so much, because these are so usable. I mean, very usable. So I thank you so much, because there's so many different shapes here and sizes that you can do a lot with this. And we always, I know I do, need a bag and a pinch. So this is perfect. Thank you so much, Ginger. And again, you didn't have to do anything, sis. And look at this pretty box. And she's got it wrapped in a bow. Make it merry. She's got a snowman up here, and she did a nice bow. I'm always envious people can offer a nice bow. I can make a bow, but it just seems like my bows are not perfect. Some people have such perfect bows. This is wrapped so nicely. Look at that. And she sent me a card, and I'm not gonna read it up here, but thank you so much. Oh, oops. So these are some decorative balls. Of course, it's got the little fuzz on the little pom-poms, pretty colors, nice pastels, and here's some blues. And I always use these I don't have a Daiso. I always use these in projects and stuff. So thank you so much for that. Oh, got some pretty orange colors as well. It's a variety of colors. Oh, look, she made me a nice dango. Oh, that's so cute. Mermaid kisses and starfish wishes. Wow, look at that. That is a nice dango. Look at that. And it's a paper clip. Oh, she got her sticker made with love, especially for you. Nice. And girl, I can always use me some socks. Trust me. I always walk around with a pair of nice warm socks on. I just like it for comfort. Even when I'm not cold, I just like to have some nice socks on. Oh, look at these cute earbuds with mic. And a unicorn. I haven't seen those. That's so cute. My grandson probably gonna try to steal that for me too. Well, I don't know. He's not into unicorns, so let me not say that out loud because he was like, I'm not into unicorns. That's for girls. That's what he would probably say. And I'm gonna open this up. And looks like I see some tea. Is that tea in here? Yes, mango Maui, passion fruit, another passion fruit and mango. Thank you. Teas are really good to relax. You know, I'm a southerner, so you know, we like teas. Pineapple, yes. Thank you, ma'am. My kids like tea too. All kinds of tea. So, makeup remover, yes, can always use these. Oh. And look at this. This is a nice little strawberry. I love the feel of it. Some crafty snowflakes. Nice chunky snowflakes. I like that. Look at these. They're so cute and they feel so good. Go along with the snow theme. And here's some other colored ones. These have reindeer in them. So nice confetti. And this is another mango. And then she's got some cute little bells. Look. Oh, pretty. You can ring my bell. I'm going to try to sing. Here she is. And I'm telling you, she sent me some macadamias, and she sent me these chocolates last time. Oh my gosh. They were so delicious. I mean, so delicious. So I love every single one of these. And she sent it right at the perfect time when I was eating sweets. Because I go off of sweets for a while, go on and go off. And I was on them when she sent them, and it was perfect time. I'm telling you, these are so good. Thank you for sending me these. I had to hide them from my kids. They were so good. Thank you so much. That was so sweet of you, and you didn't have to send me anything, but thank you so much, Ginger. Please check out her channel. I will have her link below. So thanks for liking, watching this, subscribe, and go over to her channel. Send us with love and tell her that Dawn sent you. All right, take care, guys.